My friend William and I did another one of these simulated pistol duels. If you haven't seen the previous videos, they are linked in the description down below. In short, we were taking shots at a target as fast as possible after the signal, and the score is based on who gets a deadly hit first. The footage from 2 cameras was just put together. We obviously weren't really facing each other. This is just for entertainment. Do not point guns at people. My first couple of shots were terrible, as they usually are when I start out. If I had to fight a historical duel, I would have to make sure to take plenty of warm-up shots, and I'd need to aim for a little longer. I was speeding up too much. Yes, I know, it's only 10 paces, and it's not a very small target. It gets better in a moment. Trust me. I just need a long warm-up, apparently. Yay, brain unscrambled. Now here it gets tricky. How to score this? There was very little time in between the shots, but was it enough for the hit to throw off my shot? In a real historical duel, it would depend on lots of factors: adrenaline, pain tolerance, hit location, mindset, etc. I'm going to count it as a draw. The timing seems like bad news for both of us. I survived this time. Nice. And I screwed up, with my favorite revolver no less. Another double. Not a rare occurrence in history, by the way. Well, I started out very poorly and then caught up. Looks like what we would really need to do is a tag team. He fights the first half of the duel, I fight the second half. Hey, stop shooting me in the bladder. Makes me pissy. Again, we die. Duels are risky for both participants. Who would have thought? What did I tell you about bladder shots? Not cool, bro. Pox on you, sir. Seriously though, good shooting. You can tell which of us has had more range time. And finally, how about we go batshit crazy?